Hair fall. Hair fall is one of the most common problems nowadays for both men and women worldwide. The reason for hair fall might be diet, mineral deficiency, medications, stress, pollution, and genetics. But the main reason for hair fall in many people may cause because of these 10 reasons. Number 1. Stress. Stress causes hair fall. But if we have lost hair by stress, then there is chance it will start to grow back once stress levels are back to normal. So you must try working hard on reducing stress levels by doing some exercises and yoga or consult our doctor to reduce stress levels. Number 2. Poor blood circulation. If there is no proper blood circulation in our head or body, then roots of our hair does not receive nutrients and hair becomes weak and starts hair fall. So proper healthy diet and physical activity like walking, jogging, skipping, running and swimming increases blood circulation in our head and whole body. Number 3. Low hemoglobin. Hemoglobin carries oxygen for the growth and repairing of the cells in our body, including the cells that stimulate hair growth. So low hemoglobin levels becomes the reason for hair fall. Number 4. Lack of nutrition. Unhealthy diet results sudden hair fall. When we don't get vitamins, minerals and other nutrients that our body needs from our food which we eat, then it causes loss of hair. Little protein in our diet can damage even healthy hair. Number 5. Indigestion. If our digestion is not good, then our body does not get nutrients from the food which we eat and leads to thinning of hair and causes hair fall. In some cases, people say that they are taking good diet, but their body does not absorb nutrients. This happens because if we don't bite the food properly and swallow it only for few bites. And other reason is some people go to washroom many times in a day. More constipation also loses nutrients in our body and it causes weakness and hair fall. Number 6. Lack of sleep. Our body produces melatonin, which is a hormone that helps in regulating the body sleep cycle and increase hair growth. Lack of sleep can result in higher levels of stress, which results in hair fall. Number 7. Dehydration. The entire human body requires water for the cell growth. Water helps deliver nutrients to each cell. If we drink less water, this also affects our hair and can lead to hair fall. Number 8. Thyroid. Both hypo and hyperthyroid people can cause hair fall. Hair regrowth is successful if we take thyroid treatment along with medication. There are different home remedies to cure thyroid problem, and treatment of thyroid regenerate hair growth. Number 9. Vitamin D deficiency. Vitamin D stimulates new and old hair follicles. When there is no enough vitamin D in our system, this causes hair fall. Number 10. Harmful chemicals. Harmful chemicals that we use in our daily life, such as shampoo and coloring hair dye. Some shampoos and coloring hair dyes contain large number of chemicals in them that can lead to hair damage and also hair fall. So here I am sharing powerful drink and hair oil to stop hair fall. So let's start with the drink. This drink is very effective for hair fall. To make this drink, we need beetroot. Beetroot increases blood flow throughout the body, including to the brain, heart and our muscles. It increases stamina, energy during workout and throughout the day. It also opens up vessels to increase the blood flow of oxygen throughout the body. And we need spinach. Spinach is a great source of iron vitamin A and C, and protein. It also has omega-3 acid, magnesium, potassium, calcium, and iron. This helps in maintaining a healthy scalp and luxurious hair. Next, we need Indian gooseberry, also called as amla. Amla has high vitamin C content and it helps to reduce oxidative stress and free radicals and enhance hair natural color by preventing premature graying of hair. If amla is not available at present at your home, then you can also add orange or lemon juice instead of amla, because iron and vitamin C are very important to prevent hair fall, because vitamin C is very important to absorb iron in the body. If we take iron and don't take vitamin C, then iron will not absorb in our body. Next, we need ginger. Ginger is very good for our digestive system and it also increases our blood circulation. Ginger can help increase the movement of blood flow throughout the stomach to improve digestion, and this helps to absorb the nutrients to our body and prevent hair fall. If our digestive is not good, nutrients will not be absorbed to our body. So we need in this drink ginger compulsory. Here I have chopped some spinach, some beetroot, 1 inch ginger and 1 to 2 amlas. Then I am transferring everything in a juicer mixer. Then I am adding very cool chilled water so that the juicer mixer does not become hot at the time of grinding. Then the juice is ready to drink. It's very effective and powerful for hair loss. Take this morning or evening. Don't eat or drink anything after taking this till 1 hour. Next, I am sharing hair oil for hair fall. To make this hair oil, first we need fenugreek seeds, which are also called as methi. It contains high protein and nicotinic acids that prevents hair fall and dandruff, and it is helpful to many scalp diseases such as dryness, baldness and hair thinning. I have taken here 4 spoons fenugreek seeds. Then here I am taking black cumin seeds, also called as onion seeds or kalonji. It makes hair healthy and shiny. It has antifungal properties and helps in fungal infection and prevent from scalp diseases which cause hair fall. Kalonji is rich in essential oil which nourishes the hair and helps in hair growth. So here I have taken 4 spoons black cumin seeds. I have grinded both fenugreek seeds and kalonji seeds. Then I have made a mixture by grinding it. After grinding, you can see it has become a powder like consistency. Then we also need coconut oil. Coconut oil makes hair long, thick and strong, and essential fatty acids present in coconut oil are very beneficial for our hair. Here I am using double boiling method. Here I am not heating it directly because direct heat loses all the benefits. So first I am taking around 1 cup coconut oil and making it warm by adding 2 glass water. When it becomes warm, then I am adding the mixture and mixing it well in the oil. I have kept it on a low heat till 1 hour. In middle I am going on mixing. The flame should be very low because we are heating for 1 hour. After 1 hour, I have switched off the flame. And leaving it for cool down. I am taking a glass container . Then I am straining the oil in a container . I have strained it 2 to 3 times. You can make this in extra quantity and store for 1 to 2 months. This is very effective hair oil for hair fall. Massage it all your head and scalp. The remaining mixture which is left, no need of throwing it. Can mix lemon juice in it and scrub your scalp. Or you can mix this in your shampoo. Add this mixture. Add 2 spoons and 2 spoons lemon juice and 2 to 3 spoons shampoo and little hot water, and massage your scalp while doing shampoo. Scalp scrub massage helps your hair follicles remain active and lemon juice cures dandruff. This scalp scrub and powerful drink and the hair oil for hair fall is very effective. So please try this. I hope you like my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.